Alright, this is something I've never ever before got my hands on before, so in case you can't tell, I am really excited to go ahead and box this and try it out, and especially the fact that this is only £50. I am curious to just see how good it is. And by the way, this is the drone, and I forgot the name. All the information will be in the description. The Amazon link will be in the description as well, but it's called the S6. And that sounds very familiar to me. I think it's gonna sound very familiar to all of you. But anyway, guys, this is a drone with a camera. So yeah, this is my first time having one of these. So if when you see the clips, you think I didn't drive one of these like good enough, I couldn't control it properly, please don't have a go at me. I do need to build a bit of experience. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this first, and then hopefully you're gonna see a clip of me driving one of these. Alright, first thing first, this box is huge and it's gonna be quite hard for me to put it in frame while nothing shakes around, because it's gonna need a bit of work to move this around. So at the front you got this drone, and at the bottom you have all these features that this drone has. Basically the apps, you have your own app and everything else. Or here you can see, and yeah, pretty much it. Also guys, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe if you're new. Alright, probably the best unboxing I ever done. The coolest unboxing I ever been able to experience so far. This looks cool. Boom. Woo-hoo. Alright. Alright. First and foremost, this is the controller. I don't know how this works. Hold on, I don't want to break anything too. Okay, so I think you have to open these like this. Alright, so this is what you do. So you can just place your smartphone here. You can just place your smartphone here, and then as you see on the screen, you can just control it. That's actually pretty cool. And in case obviously your smartphone is going to be a lot bigger than this, you can just extend it like this. Anyway, it's pretty cheap actually. It feels pretty cheap when you do that, but I don't know, it might be better than it seems. Anyway, you have a menu here. Oh, you get extra pair of what do you call these, wings? I don't know. Yeah, you already have these, but in case something happened to these, you get extra pair, which interesting. That's actually pretty nice for them to give extra ones. You know, you never know, he's flying and maybe something happens to them. That's interesting. And here you have the charger. You have this. You have this. Obviously you can't just use it like this, you have to actually open up these and then extend them. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and use it, record a video and show you guys my experience. And yeah,